Good morning, children. Welcome to the class of Hindi. How are you all? I hope all are fine. I hope that what I am giving the work on the board, you are practicing on your in your textbook. In your notebook. See, if you are not, you must have to practice that what I am giving the work. Then, if you practice, then only you know what are the letters and how we are pronouncing that. Then today's topic is I am going to explain about Varnamala second part. First, previous class I explained swar letters. No? Swar letters are how many? A से औ तक के अक्षरों को स्वराक्षर कहते हैं. आ से औ तक के अक्षरों को स्वराक्षर कहते हैं. Next two letters are anuswar. Okay. Next, now what is second one? Swar means vowels over. Swar means vowels completed. Now vyanjan letters. Vyanjanakshar letters. Vyanjan means consonants. Vyanjan means consonants. How many consonants are there in Hindi? That ka se ha tak 33 consonants are there. See, what are they? Ka, kha, ga, gha, inya, cha, cha, ja, jha, ini, ta, tha, da, dha, ana, ta, tha, da, dha, na, pa, pha, ba, bha, ma, ya, ra, la, va, sha, sha, sa, ha. See, why I am writing only in one line 5 letters only. This is the format of letters. A to Z, how we are writing in one line some letters, in another line some letters, or otherwise if possible we are writing in third line also. But here see, ka se inya, only one line 5 letters only we have to write. This is the format of Hindi. Compulsory we have to follow this one. In textbook also it is given like that. We have to follow that one. Okay, children, see first line ka, kha, ga, gha, inya. See, we can say if we want to know a word, particular word, or with symbols or without symbols, we have to know the word. Varg means what is the first letter of this varg. See, this format having first letters ka, cha, ta, ta, pa. Ka, cha, ta, ta, pa. And see, ka varg, cha varg, ta varg, ta varg, pa varg. In ka varg, how many letters are there? 5. Ka, kha, ga, gha, inya. See, in cha varg same like that. While pronouncing that letters, a sound is coming in that one. See, without swar, a, swarakshar, a letter, these letters are with halant. With halant. Every letter is with halant. Means half of the sound will come. K, k. When it is going to complete, see, if we add a sound in that one, ka plus a, ka, it will become a sound, ka. Kha, same everywhere, every letter This is same following that. See, ka with halant. Every letter with halant. If we add a sound, then only we are saying the ka correctly. Understand? Ka, kha, ga, gha, inya, cha, cha, ja, jha, ini, ta, tha, da, dha, ana, ta, tha, da, dha, na, pa, pha, ba, bha, ma. How we know that how much time we have to pronounce that. In before class I already told you that some are short and long vowels. In this one also some parts are there. See, these are ka, cha, ta, ta, pa and ga, ja, da, da, ba. These are Alpupran letters. Alpupran means half of the these letters we can easily pronounce these letters. We can say ka, cha, ta, ta, pa, ga, ja, da, da, ba. These are Alpupran letters. What are these? These are Alpupran. These letters we can easily pronounce. Then next kha, cha, tha, tha, pa. These are the we have to keep our energy to say these letters. These are Mahapran letters. These are what? Mahapran letters. See, Alpupran and Mahapran. While when we see any word, no, we have to by knowing this Alpupran and Mahapran, what is the sound of that particular letter, we can easily pronounce a word with a symbol or without a symbol. Understand, children? Kha, cha, tha, tha, pa, gha, ja, dha, dha, ba. Next 5 are there. Next 5 what are these? Inya, ini, ana, na, ma. These are Anunasik Vyanjan. These are Anunasik Vyanjan. These letters, why we are saying Anunasik Vyanjans? Why when we pronounce these letters, no, this sound is coming through our nose and tongue together. Then Inya, while we pronounce this, while we say this letter, no, Inya. When say this along with me, Inya, ini, ana, na, ma. No, coming this one, no. Then see, these are coming in words. Then here these letters are changing as the symbol. How we are writing the symbol of a, say, au, no. Same these letters also adding as symbols. See, Inya. In north sides they pronounce like anga, ang, inya, inya, ana, na, ma. Their pronunciation is different from ours. Then now see, inya is coming as dot. This coming upside of the word and it will pronounce that anga. Then see, this letter won't come in the middle of the word compulsory. This one and ini also. Ana and na, ma, these are coming, but inya and ini won't come. See, example I am showing Ganga. Ang spelling is coming in this one. No, we are using as a dot. Then ini also same. This one coming as, see, this one we are using as to write this Chand Bindu. Chand, ini sound in this one. Understand, children? Ini sound in that one. Ana. Then ana, na, ma. These are we are explaining. We are reading in words also. These are coming in words also. Next, what are those? Ya, ra, la, va. Sha, sha, sa, ha. These are Vyanjanakshar letters. What are these? These are the Vyanjanakshar letters. These are 33. How many these are? 33. Next it is Samyuktakshar. Next was Samyuktakshar. That is Ksha, Tra, Gnya. Ksha, Tra, Gnya. See, from this Kshatragnya, Why we are saying samyuktakshar? In English it is compound consonants. In English, compound consonants. Why we are saying compound consonants? Because in this one, two letter sounds are hidden in this one. That's why we are saying samyuktakshar. Samyukta sound means two letter sounds are in this one, hidden in this one. Ksha. See example, ksha is with ka plus sha sound. See, ka plus sha sound. Next tra. Tra with ta and ra. Understand, children? Next gnya. Gnya means ga and inya. Understand? These two sounds are hidden in that one. That's why we are saying that samyuktakshar letters. Okay, these are how many? These are 3. Up to swar, how many I told you that 11, but we are adding anuswar also. Aha, 13. 13 plus 33 plus 3. How many together? All in this Hindi Varnamala, 49 letters are there. Some will show that 52 letters, some are 50, and these all it is there. But see, next we are using only these letters. These letters are very important to learn or to know the word or the symbol or any sentence. Okay. Next, what some letters we are not using. See this one, in this line it will come ta, tha, da, dha, ana. That is ada. This one dot, it is down, it is given, then ada, adha. Okay, adha, adha. See this one, we can use that letter to write this one also. Sada. See, seedhi. We are keeping the dot here. And another, these two letters we are not using. Then shra also. Along with this one, shra will come. Shra se shramik. Shra se shramik. Shri. Words will come, but we are using less this letter. That's why these letters are not important behalf of this. Okay, children, what I explained today, you have to practice 3 times and post to your concerned class teacher. Means A se Gnya tak letters. A to Gnya letters write 3 times and post to your concerned class teacher. Next topic I am going to explain in next class. Till that time,